Hello everyone, I'm Sohrab and today I want to show you new ability of data tool. I want to draw the correlation table using my data in Excel, and this is some data. Each column is one variable and I want to select all of them with headers. It is so important, you should select it with headers, and after that I can easily calculate the correlation table and draw the chart by click on data tool and correlation table. After click, two sheet will create it. First sheet is the correlation table, the value of correlation between two variables, between two columns. These columns, okay. For example, this value is correlation between net radiation and latent heat, and this is between sensible heat and net radiation. And also you have another chart with colors and a color map. This is related to these values, and the color map will down and with these values, with correlation values, and also the diameter of the circles related to these values. If you want to save the chart in as a picture, you can easily follow these steps and open the panes. After you open the pane, you can easily paste the chart here and save it to any file that you want. Okay, it's finished. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel to get more video about the tools. Bye.